Hey, what's up YouTube? Khallid AKA Smoove Flipper. Welcome back to a new vlog. It is currently 10 a.m. and I'm running on about 4 hours of sleep. Couldn't sleep last night. I went to bed at 4 and woke up about 8:30. So I don't know if you guys can see in my eyes, but I am tired still. But I woke up to a message on a guy had an iPad Pro 11-inch, 64 gigs cellular. He claimed that it's in mint condition with the box and accessories. I looked on eBay. Those are going for about $720 to $740. Offered him $460 at first. He counted with $550. So I said, meet me in the middle at $500. Even though that's not really the middle, but he took that anyway, and I'm gonna be picking that up. I thought I had cash on me, but I gotta go to the bank real quick to pick up some cash. I'm not even sure what I have planned today. Didn't even plan to really vlog. I just picked up the camera and now we're here. So I'm gonna go to the bank, get the money out. I'm kind of running a little bit late, so I won't have time to record after I get the money, but I'll see you guys after I pick up the phone. Hey, what's up guys? So I just picked up the iPad. Everything was good on it. It was in mint condition. Actually was a repeat customer. I didn't even know. He must have changed his number, but you know, good guy, always has good stuff for me, iPads, iPhones, and it was good to go. So again, I paid $5 for it. I'm gonna sell it for about $734.95 on eBay, probably net around $120 after fees and shipping. Also right now I'm about to go to the post office. So if you guys watched my video yesterday, you saw that I am selling devices to course members, and we kind of did a little live video where I went over prices and all that. So I'm shipping them all their phones today. So I'm gonna be doing that. Not sure what else I'm gonna pick up. I just got a lead for S9 Plus, and I got a message from someone who wants to buy my S9 Plus. So we're gonna see how that goes. I'm not even sure what to expect really. Just kind of winging it right now as far as the vlog goes. But I'm gonna head to the post office and I'll see you guys after I drop off these packages. Alright guys, so I just dropped off my packages at the post office. I'm in the parking lot right now. Just wanted to give you guys a quick tip. So when you are out flipping phones, you know, you're gonna be out for a while. You always want to bring a bag. So I got this bag right here. This is the one I use. I got it from Amazon. Good quality bag. I put all my stuff in there, my phones, my bill of sales, my SIM cards, anything that I need for phone flipping is in this bag, and I take it with me everywhere I go. And it's important that you guys do that so you guys aren't wasting time going back and forth. So, for example, phones that I'm selling in my area, like I have an S9 Plus in here and a 10S Max that I'm selling, and I keep that with me at all times. So if I'm out and about picking up phones and somebody messages me to buy a phone, then I have it with me. I don't have to go all the way back home and then drive all the way back to them or drive all the way back to a Starbucks to meet. So I'll keep everything with me in this bag before I leave the house if I know it's going to be a long day. And I highly advise that you guys do the same. I'm going to leave a link to this particular bag in the description. I got it from Amazon. It's like $30, so it's well worth it. Just want to give you guys that tip. I'm going to head home right now really quick, get some more orders for students. You know, the people are ordering phones from me, getting more of that done, and then I probably have to head out for a little drive, and I'll see you guys then. So stay tuned for that. So face the world now. What's up guys? It is currently 3:33 p.m. Just left Starbucks, had to pick up some phones. I'll show you guys my pickups. Ended up picking up an AT&T Finance Note 9. You guys can see, still in the box, still has accessories. The guy said he had it for about a month, so it was in good condition. I paid him $250 for it. eBay going price right now is about $434.95. So after fees and all that, I should make well over $100, maybe like $115, $120 after fees and shipping. And then he also had a this is an iPhone XR AT&T Finance as well, and yeah, didn't have the box for this, but it's still in solid condition. Again, I paid $250 for this one as well. But the good news is he has two more phones. He has an 8 Plus and another XR. So I'm going to be picking that up hopefully tonight. I'm supposed to be meeting back up with him. The phones are his son, so he's waiting for him to get off of work, and so he can, you know, get the phones from him to sell to me. So yeah, right now I'm hungry. I haven't ate all day, so I'm going to go get some food. Probably just relax. You know, I might see you guys maybe in a couple hours here. I'm still, again, running on 4 hours of sleep, so I'm pretty tired right now. Get some food in me, relax, watch some YouTube, and I'll see you guys probably like around 7 o'clock to end the vlog. So I'll see you guys soon. What's up, guys? It is currently 7:38 p.m. I just left Starbucks. I ended up selling a Galaxy S8 for $250. I bought it for $200 a couple days ago, so a quick $50 profit. I was supposed to meet that guy that I met in the previous clip for the Note 9 and XR. He had 2 more phones to sell me. He just had to get them all transferred over. They were his kids, so he had to wait for them to get home so they can get all their stuff off of it. So I was waiting for them. We agreed to meet at 7:30. I met the guy for the S8 to sell him the S8 at 7:15, and around 7:25, they messaged me and said, "Hey, my son just got into a fender bender accident. We won't be able to make it." So, obviously that's bad news, but I just want to kind of give you guys the real. That happens all the time. I can't do anything about it. Hopefully we can meet up tomorrow, and I can still make profit on those, because those 2 phones I was going to make about $120 a piece, hopefully after fees on eBay. So I'm going to still message them tomorrow. Luckily it's Saturday. I message them tomorrow morning and say, "Hey, would you like to meet up today?" Hopefully they do say yeah. So that's that. That's pretty much it. The recap for today: I bought a couple phones, bought an iPad Pro 11-inch. I saved for the day about close to $500 in profit. I don't know if I hit that yet, but close to it. We'll see what happens after this, but I'm probably going to end the vlog right now. I'm going to head to the gym and get a workout in. Again, I'm still running on 4 hours of sleep, so I'm still tired. I'm still very tired. I still have work to do, so I'm going to probably go to the gas station after this and get a Rockstar or a Monster and in the night, because I have a bunch of stuff to do. And because Saturdays are my usually days where I'm kind of relaxing and not doing too much of the phones. Alright, so if you guys enjoy the vlog, please let me know by dropping a like on the video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. If you have any suggestions of videos you want me to do, then comment them down below. I'm always open to new ideas, and I want to take this channel to the next level when it comes to phone flipping and just vlogging, whatever it is in general. I want to do stuff like that. I enjoy vlogging for you guys. So yeah, guys, hopefully I can get another one in. Hopefully I'll probably vlog next week around Thursday-ish. So be on the lookout for that, and I'll see you guys in the next video.